How to play GTA with 2 players. For this, first and foremost, go ahead and launch your Grand Theft Auto on your social club. Head to the settings option of your GTA. From here, you have to tap on the online tab. Now right here, you can see there are some of the options such as invite only session, crew session and close crew session, close friend session and solo session. Now to play with only your friend, you have to go ahead and select on the option of closed friend session. In that case, you will only be able to play with the person that you select and no any public person can come and join in your game. So once you select your friend, you can just go ahead and play a GTA. If not, if your friend has started a session, you can just tap on find new session, and right here you will find your friend's session in this right side of the dialog box. You simply have to go ahead and tap on it. Then once you tap on it, you can easily go ahead and join and play GTA with your friend. If you cannot see an invite or your friend cannot see the invite that you send, make sure by changing the lobbies and try again to send an invite. Also make sure that you guys are playing the same version of GTA. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for joining in.